All right. Let's see how it sounds. I haven't gotten to hear it myself.
Wait, hold on. How the fuck do I open this shit when I need to? In case I gotta hop out.
Put the window up.
Alright, cool. Holy shit. Snot?
Yeah, he just loosened up his whole nasal cavity, bro.
It's not too bad. All right, so I have only one
Scared.
I have a 6,000 watt amp.
You're scaring me, man. Alright, fuck it.
On 4/18.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Yeah, it's outright. Yeah, I think a lot of y'all motherfuckers forgot who he is. Yeah, so right about now.
Woo! Open this fucking door. Holy shit! Yo, that shit made my pee come out a little bit, man.
I kind of want to like record it, but I feel like it'll blow the speaker on my phone.
Yo, listen, bro. Listen, bro. This is a whole body experience, man. It's not that bad.
I got feelings. Be careful.
4/18 on 6K. Yep.
How the hell do I get out of this thing?
Can he come out a little bit?
Hell!
Take one out of this.
Can he come out just a little
I
bit?
feel like I had to call.
Hey, what do you do? Just flip a bass switch?
So that again?
What do you do? Just flip a switch?
You have a bass knob that you can adjust here, and it turns your bass knob on and all the way off. Just a bass knob.
I'm gonna do another one.
YouTube Jacob Barrow.
Yeah, YouTube. Look up Jacob Barrow on YouTube. Yeah, I was not.
You're a wild man.
I love it.
He said, oh, it's nothing.
So probably I gained about a volt from going AGM to
See how
Lithium.
his
So it
reaction.
got louder.
I mean, a whole volt would be about 600 watts extra. So probably about 150 watts of sub extra. So probably about half a dB difference.
Okay.
Audibly, you won't notice it, but on the meter you will.
Oh, yeah.
Usually audibly is around a dB and a half.
See, when I went, because I had one AGM, and when I went to the 4 AGMs,
Yeah.
I noticed it sounded so much louder, and then on the meter it didn't do much. It was like 0.1. It went up like a tenth of a
It
decibel.
might have been the frequency.
Yeah. And that's my biggest thing is trying to chase that frequency on what's
Yeah.
good.
All right.
I like the whole breathing in between beats.
You made me sneeze.
the whole when you feel it in your throat
Yeah.
and you actually have to hold your breath
Yeah.
to release it.
Whew.
Oh, it's lovely.
Yep.
I wish I could.
All right, you ready? If it's too loud, wave your hand. If it's not loud enough, it's too deep to fix. I have 4/18s on 6,000 watts.
God damn. Oh, y'all gotta come get in. Do that what you did. I like it up.
Right there, yeah.
Do what you just did. That's crazy. Come here, one of y'all come get in. Chris, David, one of y'all come here.
Jacob, what you hitting, man?
What's up, man?
What you hitting?
4/18s on 6,000 watts.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What you hitting on the meter bill?
It does. Before I added the lithium, it was a 61.6 on the glass.
Woo!
How you doing?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Great. Jacob. 418, 6,000 watts. We'll see how it does.
Man, I want to sit in that thing. Woo. I got to sit in that, bird. You got it. I ain't saying. Nice and solid.
Yeah, I took everything out that makes anything that absorbed bass. I took out.
I can
Yeah, it's pretty impressive for 6K. Are you ready? So it's not loud enough. 2 dB difference from headrest to glass. Okay.
Well, you can't breathe in this bitch here, boy. You hear me? You can't breathe in this bitch. Woo! Oh, you talking about cheer.
Pretty good.
Cheer.
You can keep it open.
That's crazy, man. Loudest shit I've ever heard.
Really? Appreciate it. We'll keep recording. You good? How you doing, man? We got 418s on 6K. 6,000 watts.
Hell no, bro. Fuck that.
All right. See how it sounds. I haven't gotten to hear it myself. Curious to see how this sounds. Yeah, my voltage dropped to like a 12.4 on that one. Oh, I got a little headache after that. You're good. It's like 2 dB difference, headrest to glass.
Forward. Lean your head out towards the glass. There you go.
Yeah, you got a big old head up there.
I can't get my big ass out of there.
Where's the door handle?
So I'll just wave it. It's not that bad. Is that null? Oh, okay. On.
I tried to breathe in, I couldn't breathe in.
It held 13.8.
Breathe in, man.
That's good.
On that one, didn't
Dang, the voltage is way better.
It is.
Yeah. Yeah, that's way better.
Stop it.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.